Hello everyone, welcome to online classes. I am Miss Akila Pai, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, Sri Venkatramana Swami College, Bantwal. I'll be taking up Financial Accounting 3 during this third semester. First, let's see what is the syllabus prescribed by the university for Financial Accounting 3. In this semester also, you are going to learn 6 chapters in Financial Accounting 3, which are all relating to partnership accounts. In the first chapter, that is admission of a partner, we are going to discuss what is the meaning and reasons for the admission of a new partner into an existing partnership firm. Then, what is the sacrifice ratio and new profit sharing ratio and how to calculate those two ratios under different circumstances. And then, we are also going to discuss what are the accounts to be prepared by the partnership firm at the time of admission of a new partner into an existing partnership firm. It may be revaluation account or memorandum revaluation account or partners capital account and balance sheet. Okay, so these are the concepts which we are going to discuss in first chapter, that is admission of a partner. Then moving on to the second chapter, that is retirement of a partner, we are going to discuss on meaning and reasons for the retirement of a partner from the existing partnership firm. Then we are also going to study about the meaning of gain ratio and new profit sharing ratio and how to calculate those two ratios under different circumstances. Then we are also going to study what are the accounts to be prepared by the partnership firm at the time of retirement of a partner. So these are the concepts relating to second chapter. Then coming to the third chapter, that is admission cum retirement of a partner, you are going to study about the procedures to be followed by the partnership firm when admission and retirement of partners take place simultaneously. Okay. Then coming to the fourth chapter, that is death of a partner, we are going to discuss on how to close the accounts of deceased partner and how to prepare executor's account. In addition, we are also going to discuss on joint life policies and several policies of partners. Then moving on to the fifth chapter, that is dissolution of a partnership firm, we are going to study about meaning of dissolution of partnership firm, then what is realization account, then the difference between realization account and revaluation account, then how to close the books of firm in case of dissolution of partnership firm. In addition, we are also going to discuss on simple dissolution problems with insolvency of partners. Then coming to the last chapter, that is sale of a partnership firm, we are going to discuss on the procedures to close the accounts when a partnership firm is converted into a limited company or when it is sold to a limited company, especially with regard to the entries to be passed in the books of partnership firm. In the same chapter, we are also going to discuss on the problems relating to piecemeal distribution of cash. So these are the aspects you are going to learn in this semester under Financial Accounting 3. I will start with the first chapter in the next video. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.